Welcome devs, Taletia here. From this video, I am starting C# tutorial. In this video, I am writing one program where I will print hello world in C# using console. If you also want to get master in C#, you can follow this series. Let's open our Visual Studio Code. I am using 2022. Okay, so our Visual Studio 2022 is open. Now let's create a new project. Okay, so from here let's select console app and click on next. Okay, give this solution name as a hello world, and I am going to save this in my tutorial folder. Okay, so I have selected folder. Let's click next. I am using 8 version of ASP.NET Core. Now application is created, solution is created now. So here you can see, here it's written one line that console.writeLine and hello world. So we are not going to print like that. You can print also like this, but C# is a object oriented programming language. So we follow class and objects, that kind of architecture. So let's wrap it into class. Here I am going to declare namespace, and we create one class. Class name is program, and in this I am going to write a main method, that is static void. Inside we are going to pass array string, that's name is args argument. Now here we are going to print our hello world. So use console. First run this project, then I will explain you this code. I assume that you already know C and C++. If you have not learned C, C++, no problem, you can still follow this playlist for C#. So let's first run this project, then I will explain you the code. So click on this run button. You can see here hello world is printed. Let's understand this code line by line. First line is namespace hello world. The namespace is used for wrapping our classes interfaces in some group. Like here we have taken hello world. So in hello world we have wrapped this program class, and we can use this namespace in lots of another classes and interface also. So we will talk more about namespace in later video, so you will get more clarity on this namespace topic. This class keyword is used for creating a class. Class is a blueprint of an object, and we have given class name as a program. So inside program we have declared one static method, that is main. So what is the importance of this main method? This main method is an entry point for our program. So when we are running our program and file, wherever the main method is declared, it will start our program from there. So it will come here, then it will execute this block of code. So inside we have written console.writeLine. So this is a console, it's a class. In class we have method writeLine. This method is used for printing the hello world. So this is the simple and first program of C# where we have printed hello world. So I suggest you, if you want to understand more this clearly, so you can first go through C++ tutorial, understand class, object, this all concept, so you will get more clarity on this. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video and you find that this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Comment any suggestion, and you have any doubt, you can comment in comment section. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.